everybody, welcome back to Dogman Brawl of the Wild. We're reading Chapter 8, Help is on the Way, okay? So let's get started. So they're closed, eh? I had a feeling that Warden was up to no good. Let's follow those dog sled tracks. Meanwhile, are you done installing those filters? Yeah. Well, quit goofing around and get out of there. Okay. Hey, Papa, you want to hear another joke? No, I don't. Oh, come on. You said I was going to help me. I am. Making up jokes is not helpful. This one's not made up. It's from a TV show. No. Okay, what do you call a worm from King Arthur's court? A nightcrawler? Nope. Sir squirms a lot? Nope. Okay, I give up. What do you call him? Diarrhea. What is wrong with you? Meanwhile, there he is. So you've come to rescue your little friend, eh? Well, you're too late. Just look at him. He's changed. His spirit is broken. His will has been cursed. He'll never be the same again. But don't feel bad. You see, Dogman's really not a dog or a man. He's a misfit. Even the other dogs don't like him. You should have seen them growl at him when he got here. It was so hilarious. Clank, clank. No! No! Uh-oh, crash. But then, shake-a, shake-a. Cute little squirrel. Autopilot, click. Now wait just a minute. No, wait, no, stop, cut it out. Down boy, enough, bad doggy. Let's go home. And so, climb aboard. What's wrong, Dogman? What are you waiting for? Forget those other dogs. They were mean to you. They growled at you. They turned their backs on you when you needed them most. But Dogman, we can't take all those dogs with us. They won't fit in the helicopter. It's no use, HD. He won't leave without them. Flip-flop, flip-flop. And so, clunk, clunk, clank, clank, hack, spit tooey. Alright, gang, we don't have much time. If we hurry, we might make it back to the city in time to watch the new Dogman movie. Let's go! Goodbye, we're gonna close it out at this chapter. Tune in next time as we read Chapter 9, Dogman, the Major Motion Picture. Bye.